I've started now, so I've got to. I'm committed. I've got to keep it like long. Oh my! We're back with another batch of kitchen hacks to put to the test. I've got 3. Mrs. B has 3. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
First up, have you ever been in a situation where you've got a lovely hot chocolate and you get some nice squirty cream and marshmallows on top, but your cream melts within seconds?
That's alright, right?
No, because you want it to. Don't you want it to stay a little bit longer?
Well, not really. Please don't go. Okay, yeah, let's try this.
A nice fancy cupcake tin, just like we've got.
We do not have a cupcake tin like that. Cream, marshmallows. What's that, like chocolate sprinkles?
I think it's
They're like orange.
Sprinkles.
Nice. In the freezer. That is a lovely tray, isn't it?
Yeah. And a lovely hot chocolate.
And the cutlery. Look at, oh my gosh.
And look, you put your cream on top of the hot chocolate and it keeps that swirl effect. It doesn't melt straight away.
Okay.
Perfect.
I don't know. What? You've effectively just got a creamy ice cube.
Maybe. Right, pop the cupcake cases in. You make your swirl. Then just put some marshmallows on. I couldn't find any hundreds and thousands in the house, but we've got these chocolate things. So put them on.
Chocolate things? Well, you could do anything, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't put gravy on it.
Right, we need to get these in the freezer ASAP. Ah! So here are the ones I made last night. They've lost their swirl.
Oh, they look pretty, but yeah. It's flattened, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's almost like sort of gone to like, I don't know, like frozen milk.
Yeah.
But that is proper firm, mate.
Yeah.
It should float. So I'll do the frozen one.
Okay.
And we'll have a little race here. A little disc. Oh, lovely. That does look cool.
Look at that.
I'll just sit it on top.
Yeah.
All right, go. Wow. I don't know. Yours looks like so much more gourmet because it's fresh.
But that's how that one was meant to look. That does look better than that.
This looks quite disappointing, but I get the efficiency of it, of having them just ready to go like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you got to say it works, right?
It does work. I think it's a good one.
Go on, it's your hack. You try it. I don't want to get numb mouth. Is it hot or cold?
It's hot.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah.
It hasn't cooled it down?
No.
Oh. But you're still getting the cream?
Yeah. Well, yeah, kind of.
Are you ready for this one?
I'm ready.
Have you ever been in a situation where you want to poach an egg with one of the most convenient things that you generally have around your house? Check this out. It doesn't have any timings. And look at the way that dropped.
Oh, okay.
You're
Nice.
supposed to be able to poach an egg in a microwave
Yeah.
in a pint glass.
That's cool.
It is, but there's no timings. The water looks still, like it hadn't been boiled at all. I'm generally thinking it's going to steam and like bubble over. Like, watch the egg when they take it out of the microwave. Watch this. Like, I just want to show you this again. This is ridiculous. Look how it drops. That is, what?
Wow. Maybe it's risen because the water was boiling in the microwave and then it suddenly drops because it's stopped boiling.
Yeah, I think you've got more faith in this than I have.
I have.
I don't know. Do you think this is going to work?
I do.
Oh, it did sink. Should we do it?
Microwave?
Yeah. Okay.
800 watts for...
I know, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Go.
Right. Do you want to give me a running commentary of what... I can't look.
So, it's a nice slow start.
Do you know what, mate? I'm slightly confident about that.
Told you.
That is crazy.
It's going up.
Is it?
No.
Should we have... Oh, should we have oiled the glass?
No, it's in water. It's not going to get stuck.
I've started now, so I've got to... I'm committed. I've got to keep it, like, long. Oh, my gosh. Oh, wow.
Did we just break the glass in the microwave? Oh, my God.
That's incredible.
Oh, my gosh. What have you done?
I don't know. It wasn't me. The hacks told us.
It stinks.
It does stink. I thought that was you. That was an explosion.
Do not try that at home.
Now that is... Oh, it stinks.
I told you.
That is a proper explosion. Right.
Can you imagine? We could have got seriously hurt. We were so close to that microwave.
And you said it was going to work. Granted, I didn't think it was going to fail like that, but blimey.
Gosh, I'm standing back.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's incredible!
That's going to be hot, be careful.
Well, I'm not going to jump in there, mate. Look at this. It's like a crime scene.
Oh my god, that absolutely stinks. And I like eggs. Look at your microwave. It was flashing.
No.
All the numbers were going.
It's crazy. I think we'll give Mike a little bit of a rest here. The light is flashing.
That's what yes!
Oh, there's like a... It's literally dripping down. Look at that. It's like stalactites of egg. This is quite a good microwave as well. I hope I've not broken it. Oh, I say that and it starts flashing. Oh no. Let's turn it off.
Mike.
I'm just editing this video now, and if you watch frame by frame, that egg does just shoot out on one of the frames like an egg firework. That was even quite scary for me to watch back, knowing what was going to happen. And yes, unfortunately, Mike will have to be replaced, probably with Mike 2. Right, yes, your next hack.
Well, have you ever been in a situation where you want to poach an egg?
What? In a poaching an egg?
Yeah.
How confident are you with this one?
I'm really confident.
Right.
Like I was with that one.
Okay, yeah, little diddy sieves.
Yeah.
I see you got one of those. Egg, so the water's just touching it.
Yeah.
Egg goes in.
Egg goes in. You let it boil or simmer for a couple of minutes. And then, lid on.
Lid on, okay. Ah.
And then you got your poached egg and a little like thing to get it out with as well.
I've got a hack within a hack we can do for this.
This is my hack.
I know,
Don't
but
spoil my thunder.
I just got to upgrade your hack.
You just got to make up for the one we just done.
This has only just come to me because one of my hacks I'm doing is quite similar to this. So we're going to put this down here, right?
Yeah, and that's what I'm doing with my hat. Is this right? You're taking over now.
Yeah, I know, but what have we got here? Randomly.
Spoon.
Just push that forward a bit. Look how it dropped back there. Look. Is that...
Nice.
I've just locked your hack in. Oh, like a glove.
It's all kind of coming out.
Oh yeah, look. Is it falling through?
Okay. Oh yeah, lid on. Thank you.
Welcome. Right. Well, this feels a lot safer.
2 minutes.
If you've missed any of the other hacks videos, we've done this for years. Like all the other videos, they're on some sort of playlist if you want to watch more. So do check that out. And most of them are safe.
That is done.
That looks incredible. That is probably the best egg I have seen today. Should we have oiled it?
I don't know. They didn't in the video.
Oh, see? Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Hey!
Hey!
It's a lovely shape on it, isn't it?
Oh,
Ooh.
oh look.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be overdone. Not quite.
Do you know what? I'm just glad it is done in some way or the other. That is a pass. Popcorn over 2 sieves, kernels. That is simmering water. You are steaming popcorn. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to make popcorn and your microwave might be slightly out of action?
Yeah, funnily enough, today.
Well, this is potentially healthier. I don't know if this is going to work. Part of me feels like it's not going to get enough heat to like pop it, but we can try it, right?
Yeah.
And I guess you can now see why I meant like similarities with the egg one.
Yeah. Is that why you blew up the microwave?
No, not that egg one. Right, so I've got 2 sieves here, and this one's shallower, so this will be that goes in the pan so it doesn't touch the water. Kernels going in. I mean, even that sort of amount of popcorn kernels is probably going to make an entire cinema's worth. And then what you're supposed to do is just stick the other sieve on top. That was where my spoon idea came from with your hack a minute ago.
Ah, okay.
Okay, but
Yes.
if you look, if I just let that go, it kind of opens up. But if I put a bit of force on it and press it together so it's almost encased, you've kind of invented like this amazing musical instrument. So I'm going to zip tie these together.
Okay, nice.
The hack doesn't tell us to do this, but I don't want them going out of the
No,
sides.
we've had enough fun for one day.
Yeah, I want this to work. Because I think if the steam does do this,
Yeah.
it's quite cool.
Well, you could use one of these like bulldog clips.
Ah!
Oh.
Yeah. If you had an accident in the workplace, it's not your fault. They didn't do this in the hack, but I think this is going to really help it.
Are these heat proof?
I don't know.
Oh no.
See? Let go of that.
Oh, that's
there you go. Look at that. I mean, that's not dangerous at all. I'm going to leave these on there because they're not going to touch the water, and that is hilarious. They look like little antennas. In there, look, it's above the water, and we are going to steam that popcorn. That is it.
I don't want to watch it this time and get too close.
Well, it's been nearly 10 minutes now. How long should we leave it for?
I don't know.
The
rest of the video?
Well, we could do, or until the water runs out, because, I mean, it's boiling and it's right by it.
That's a lot of water.
I mean, the only thing it's missing, I guess, is that you probably maybe want to put a lid on it, like we did with the egg, to like keep that heat in.
Yeah.
But it is right by it. Mate, I've just Googled this. It ain't going to work.
Oh, why?
Popcorn kernels will pop because they have a tiny bit of moisture inside them. That's what actually starts the popping. But that's when they're heated to around about 180 to 190 C, and of course water boils at 100 C.
Okay.
The moisture inside the kernel turns into steam, pressure builds up inside the kernel, and boom! That is how you get popcorn. Maybe they're softening up, but effectively they're just locked in a glorified steam room that looks like a fencing mask.
Okay. So, shall we move on?
Yeah, it needs dry heat and a lot hotter. So,
okay.
You know, I am proud of this though. I am proud of this.
I'll turn the...
Oh, they'll fall out.
Okay, so have you ever been in a situation where you want to make French toast, but all you've got is bread and ice cream?
Okay. So that's why you emphasised the you, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes, I have, because I've done what you've just said.
Yeah. So this is one that you did, but I didn't get to try it because it was apparently so good. You ate it all, and I was at work.
So you're using me to try this hack to try it?
Yes.
Okay, I like your start. That's good.
And I'm hungry.
Ooh, dunk it right in that carton. I didn't do that last time.
See?
Oh, cinnamon as well. Okay, that is, yeah, that's,
It looks good, right?
It's all right.
And then, did you do this?
I don't know. Can't remember.
So I was thinking, if it hadn't defrosted in time, because it has to be quite soft,
Oh yeah, I know.
that we could have put it in the microwave to help defrost it, melt it a little bit.
Right. No.
We can't do that now. But it looks pretty soft.
That does. That looks like butter.
Ooh.
Oh.
So you just
Oh.
push it in. Right, let's go in this side.
Yeah. That's great.
Right, I'm going to have to turn it because the ice cream tub is not as deep as the bread.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That is awesome. So you got the sugar in the ice cream and all that.
Yeah.
Mrs. B was a little bit upset at me after I did this one without her getting to taste it.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice. Bit of cinnamon?
I mean, I think this might work.
Me too.
Oh, get that cinnamon on there.
Okay, ready? Oh.
I've got to use this because our other sieves have got popcorn kernels in them and the small one has got a poached egg.
And now maple syrup.
All right, yeah, that looks rather nice.
Right, let's see what I was missing out on.
Mrs. B loves French toast or eggy bread.
That's amazing.
It's good, isn't it?
Did you want some?
All right, next one. Have you ever been in a situation where you want chicken and waffles? See, this is a cooked chicken drumstick. They are lifting waffle batter on. It's going into the waffle machine, pressing down, and that doesn't look like the same thing.
There's no way that's going to turn out like that, surely.
They're drizzling Nutella on that as well. I mean, if we even get to that stage, maybe. Chicken and waffles, right? That legendary combo. I've got some waffle batter ready.
Okay.
Do you think this is going to work?
No.
Great. Spray oil cooked chicken drumsticks, which I'm quite happy about. We can dunk, I guess. Actually, I'm not even going to lift the spoon on. This is some waffle mix that I've sort of made off camera. It's all there.
Do you want the tongs?
No, because you can use the drumstick to hold it and just layer it in. It's actually going to... It's such a quick clip, but I think that half of the chicken, like the legs, stick out of the machine. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we just press it down.
Right.
I'm going to hold it tight, okay? But look, we've got the ends of the chicken. That's amazing, like a weird briefcase. And at the very least, at least it's going to warm the chicken through, but we're hopefully encasing the chicken in waffle batter. Right. Oh gosh, that leg's stuck. Is it coming up with it? Is your side?
Kind of.
Oh!
Wow.
It's nearly there, I think. It needs like
Really?
another minute. Oh, this is so weird. That is outrageous.
That's weird.
It is, isn't it? And it's worked. We're going to be able to lift this out. I think I might just let it cool down. But look, that does want to move. That is... the end's here. Feel that end, mate. It's freezing.
Oh, yeah, it is.
That's crazy. I don't know if I'm going to like this, but I might actually love it. Maple syrup. They did use Nutella, though. I'm fairly certain there was a little tub in the background of their video.
Nutella?
Yeah. All right, let's try it. Are you going to try it?
No, I still feel a bit sick from that French toast.
Okay, well, I'll... massive bone out the side of it.
Oh, no.
That's really nice.
Okay. I'll take your word for it. I guess it's like fried chicken, though, isn't it, in a way? It's in butter.
It's missing the fried chicken like coating and flavour, but the chicken is soft. It's been warmed through, which is lovely. Got a little bit of crunch in the waffle, and I think the sweetness of the maple with it. It's like a bodged emergency chicken and waffles. Well, thanks so much for watching, folks. Remember, like I said earlier, this is part of a massive playlist. So if you've enjoyed this, there are many others we've done over the years. Good, bad, dangerous, and, well, memorable. Any final thoughts, Mrs. B?
Bread dipped in ice cream is delicious.
Got to try that. Cheers, guys. That is gorgeous. That's gorgeous, I say.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.